Hello friends, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching us from. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My mornings usually start early before anything else. I like to clean around the house and get everything ready for the day. After cleaning, I light up the charcoal stove to cook porridge for my family, as you're going to see in this vlog. The weather was so cold, then my son decided to bring me a jacket. Wow, so sweet of him. I love this boy, you guys. Thank you, baby. Once breakfast was taken care of, I started preparing food for later in the day. Today, I'm going to cook offals. This is also one of my favorite dishes. Because in my culture, when you give birth, your mom or anyone else who takes care of you can decide to cook this for you. Yes, it helps in bringing breast milk. That's what I had anyway. And for the food, I will be preparing matoke, cassava, sweet potato, and some rice, as you're going to see here. Mm. Come. What? You're welcome. Around this time, my daughter wakes up, so I have to bathe her, breastfeed her, and then I continue with my house duties. Thank you so much for spending your morning with me. See you in my next vlog. Bye, Jen.